Let's unload this motorcycle. I mentioned that we want the pickup perfectly level, or maybe even slightly pointing uphill, back end maybe slightly downhill. This road has a bit of a tilt to it, but not severe. Level is good. I'll try to remember all sorts of pointers along the way. Let's start with this very important pointer. Kickstand down. Just leave that kickstand down. That will become apparent. The reason for that will become apparent when the bike is unloaded. I will transfer video duties in a moment, but let's start. Let's just go ahead and take off our back. Take off these back straps. Ratchet straps off. Let me hand the camera over to the camera crew. And simple soft ties, ratchet straps off. And out of the way. Oh, let's grab our gear here. Lots of soft ties. Control cable. And pins. Just dump them all. Several of these pins, and this will become apparent. Okay, control cable. Control cable controls the winch. Plugs right in. And I labeled the control cable out for ramp out and in for ramp in. We'll undo those front the front tie downs, front ratchet straps. Snap that off. Ratchet strap and here's a power cable. It goes to the pickup battery. We'll go over that in more detail later. Come around this side here to my side, and this is the strap that will remain on. This attaches the motorcycle to the ramp, and right now it is tight as a drum. Scary tight. I'm just going to hop over here and undo the other side. And the motorcycle is ready to come out, slide out. I do not need this jacket now.
Can I put this on hold for a minute? The red button? Because I have to take mine out too.